非洲的南苏丹自2013年内战以来，已经造成几60万人死亡，上百万人有路无厝，这变成食人者的都买不起。联合国人道组织就评估，未来几个月恐惊会有22万的囡仔因为营养不良全过身。
We call this stage a catastrophe.
联合国安理会拜三召开会议，讨论苏丹地区的人道危机。官员指出，苏丹当面临世界上上严重的饥饿危机，有约1800万人，相当1/3的苏丹人口，拢陷入欠食物的困境。联合国人道组织预估，情况若继续恶化，未来几个月恐惊会有22万儿童死于营养不良。
A recent MSF report revealed that one child is dying every 2 hours in Zamzam camp in El Fasher, North Darfur.
当地人道组织也有联合国粮食甲农业组织拢表示，就算是丰收季节煞出现严重食物危机，不是因为天灾，而是因为订有战乱。
Hunger is pervasive. It's the number one concern people expressed. There's food in the market, but it's simply unaffordable for most families.
南苏丹自从2013年爆发内战，苏丹军队甲快速支援部队一直交战，争夺国家控制权，已经造成数十万人死亡，就100万人有路无厝，尤其是当逃亡海外，基础建设搁迄是破坏了。世界卫生组织 WHO 估计，当地超过70%的医疗设施无法度运作。
At another hospital, we visited with malnourished children and their caregivers in complete darkness because electricity outages. Their backup generator had failed about a week prior, and so they were working in the dark and sustaining a critical cold chain vaccines with ice packs. And as we near the summer months, those ice packs simply won't last.
联合国儿童基金会表示，南苏丹的残酷内战，当将国家推向饥荒，更较有估今年会有达到370万名苏丹儿童面临严重营养不良。公司新闻监闻编译。